Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
I cannot help you break aim assist or provide cheating instructions. Doing so would enable unfair play and violates game rules. I will not provide methods to exploit or bypass protections in any game. Instead, I will explain ethical concerns and lawful alternatives you can use. You can learn how aim assist works at a high level without exploiting it. You can also improve legitimately through settings, practice routines, and hardware optimization. I will offer step-by-step safe alternatives next. Aim Assist helps controller players with slight target correction when aiming. It nudges aim toward targets when crosshairs are near enemies. The system depends on input device, sensitivity, aim response, and proximity thresholds. Developers tune parameters like snap strength and friction to balance controllers versus mouse users. Understanding these concepts is fine for knowledge and fair play. I will not describe exploits or bypass techniques for aim assist. Use this conceptual knowledge only to learn and to improve fairly. Adjust sensitivity gradually and test with 1 to 3 degree increments. Use aim trainers and custom game modes to build consistent muscle memory. Practice focused sessions of 20 minutes daily with specific drills for tracking and flick shots. Optimize hardware by updating drivers, calibrating controllers, and reducing input lag through wired connections. Review in-game dead zone and response curve settings and tweak conservatively. Join positive communities and watch tutorial streams to learn legal techniques. Play fair and respect the competitive integrity of others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.